In this video, I'll show you how to download OneDrive on Mac. To install OneDrive on your Mac, you basically have two options: getting it through the App Store or downloading the installer directly from Microsoft's website. For the first method, open the App Store using Spotlight by pressing Command-Space. Then type OneDrive into the search bar, and you can install the app right from there. If you prefer the second method, open your browser, Google the phrase OneDrive Download for Mac, and go to the official Microsoft website. Once you're there, click on the Download button. After the download finishes, you'll get a file called OneDrive.pkg. Double-click on that file to start the installation. On the installation screen, if you don't need to customize anything, just leave the default settings and click Continue or Install. If your Mac asks for your computer password, go ahead and type it in, then click Install Software. Once the installation is successful, click Close, and then select Move to Trash to delete the installer file and free up some storage space. And just like that, you've successfully installed it. To launch OneDrive, pull up Spotlight using Command-Space, type in OneDrive, and open the app. Next, you'll need to sign in. Since OneDrive is a Microsoft service, you have to use a Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, check out the link I left in the description for a video on how to create a Microsoft account using your personal email. To log in, enter your email. Depending on the security methods you've set up for your account, you'll either need to enter your password or sign in with a passkey. After signing in, if your Mac prompts you for permissions, just click Allow. Now you'll see a OneDrive icon appear on your Mac's menu bar. Click Enable to grant OneDrive permission to access folders on your Mac so it can start syncing. Then click Open Folder to open the OneDrive directory. Much like Google Drive, OneDrive works in a very similar way. By default, after installation, it creates a shortcut in the Locations section of Finder. You can access it there, create folders, and drop in the files you want to sync to OneDrive. Right inside the OneDrive folder, you'll find a file named gettingstartedwithonedrive.pdf. You can read through this to check out the user guide and learn more about OneDrive's features. I'll also be diving deeper into these features in a future video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.